Is the Pixel 8 still a solid choice in 2025, or has it lost its charm? The Google Pixel 8 has been a popular choice among smartphone users since its release, and for good reason. With its impressive camera capabilities, snappy performance, and sleek design, it's no wonder why many people opted for this device. As we all know, older smartphones often face significant challenges as new models are released. One of the biggest issues is obsolescence. Manufacturers eventually stop supporting older devices, leaving them vulnerable to security threats and lacking the latest features. Additionally, software updates become less frequent and sometimes even stop altogether, which can greatly impact the user experience. Furthermore, as new models come out, older smartphones can start to feel sluggish, with slower performance and battery life that just doesn't last as long. Let's not forget about the lack of new features. No one likes being stuck with an outdated operating system. Performance issues are another major concern. Older smartphones can struggle to keep up with the demands of newer apps and games, making them feel slow and unresponsive. And with new models boasting improved processors, RAM, and storage, it's easy to feel like your old phone just can't keep up. Moreover, as our needs and habits change, our smartphones need to adapt. We want better cameras, longer battery life, and more storage, but older phones often can't deliver. Lastly, as newer models are released, older smartphones often see a significant drop in value, making it difficult to sell or trade them in. The Google Pixel 8, however, still packs a punch when it comes to its specifications. With its Google Tensor G2 chip, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage, it can still handle demanding tasks with ease. The 6.3-inch OLED display is still vibrant and crisp, and the 50MP primary camera still takes stunning photos. Compared to newer models, the Pixel 8 may not have the latest and greatest specs, but it still holds its own. What really sets it apart, though, are its unique features. The Pixel 8 has one of the best camera systems on the market, with incredible low-light performance and impressive zoom capabilities. Plus, it still gets timely software updates, ensuring that you'll always have the latest security patches and features. In terms of performance, the Pixel 8 still feels snappy and responsive, even with demanding games and apps. The battery life is still decent, easily lasting a full day with moderate use. And let's not forget about the timeless design. The Pixel 8 still looks sleek and modern, with its understated aesthetic and premium build quality. Compared to newer models, the Pixel 8 may not have the latest processor or the most RAM, but it still delivers a seamless user experience. So is the Pixel 8 still a viable option in 2025? In terms of user experience, the answer is a resounding yes. The phone still performs well, takes amazing photos, and has a beautiful display. And when it comes to value for money, the Pixel 8 is still a solid choice. You get a premium device with impressive specs at a lower price point than newer models. Of course, there are some drawbacks: the lack of 5G support, the older processor, and the limited storage options. But overall, the Pixel 8 still has a lot to offer, making it a great option for those looking for a reliable and affordable smartphone. In conclusion, the Pixel 8 is still a solid choice in 2025. Despite its age, it may not have the latest and greatest specs, but it still delivers a fantastic user experience, takes amazing photos, and has a timeless design. So if you're in the market for a new smartphone, the Pixel 8 is definitely worth considering. If you've had experience with the Pixel 8, let us know in the comments below. What do you love about it, and what do you wish it had? And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more smartphone reviews and comparisons.